Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the carrier voicemail is active and that you know your PIN or password. This avoids lockouts later. Open the phone app and go straight to the voicemail tab, or press and hold one to dial into the carrier box. If the app asks for permissions, grant microphone and phone access. These are required for visual voicemail to download messages. Once done, the app will attempt to fetch headers. Make sure you have a stable data or Wi-Fi connection. Now, you'll view the message list and manage each item. Tap a voicemail to play it, and swipe left or right to reveal quick actions like delete, share, or save. If visual voicemail provides transcription, read it to decide whether to respond immediately. Correcting speaker labels improves future recognition. Use playback controls to change speed, and tap the download icon to keep an important voicemail offline. These steps let you triage quickly and preserve key messages for later use. Finish by customizing voicemail settings. Open voicemail settings to record or upload a greeting, change your PIN, and enable notifications so you never miss messages. Make sure visual voicemail is toggled on for the phone app and confirm data permissions to keep it syncing. If something goes wrong, restart your phone first, then check with your carrier for provisioning. Finally, clear the phone app cache or reset app data. This often resolves sync or playback failures. If problems persist, contact carrier support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.